Hello everyone and welcome to Tips World. If you're new to this channel, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for new post notifications and updates. And for more details, do not forget to check the links in the description of this video. Without wasting any much time, let's dive directly into our today's episode. So in our today's episode, we are actually going to be navigating with you through the top tips that you can actually use to improve the performance of your computer system by up to 99%. And of course, this is actually episode 4 of this series. If you actually want to check episode 1, 2, and 3, then we have included the link below this video description. And additional details are also being found below the website link. So today, the first in our list is actually making sure that we come to this area that says search the web and Windows on our Windows system. Click on it and you are going to see this search box here. Here you are going to type apps, just type apps, and you are going to see this area that says apps and future. Here click on apps and future and you are going to be taken to this section. On the right hand side of this area, you are going to see all the various apps that you have actually installed here on this PC, on your PC system or computer system. And of course, there are some programs that you have actually installed on your PC that are actually the cause of bringing down the performance of your computer system. To minimize that effect or to reduce the slowing effect of your computer system, then you have to go ahead to uninstall those programs that you no longer need that are still installed on your PC. To do so, you are going to choose each of the programs that you no longer use and click on uninstalled, and those programs will be uninstalled. So what you need to do is to just make sure that you verify, you look and recognize those programs or softwares or whatever program that you have installed on your PC that you no longer use, because they are consuming a lot of data resources or putting a lot of weight on your CPU as well as memory of your system, causing a breakdown on your performance of your system. So this is the first step that you need to take to improve the performance of your computer system. The next here is to make sure that you come again to this search area here. Just type on apps again. But this time, as you type on apps, you are going to see a section that says show most used app in start. Click on it and you are going to be taken to this section. Once as you are here, just navigate to this section that says choose which folder appear on start. Click on it and you are going to be taken to this section. Here, make sure that you switch off all of these notification here. You can see here, File Explorer is on and setting is on. Make sure that you switch everything off and you can leave only File Explorer and setting as on. By default, or maybe for most of you, you have some of this system, some of these icons like download music, pictures, videos, all of it are turned on for you. So what you need to do to improve the performance of your system is to make sure that you come to each and every one of them and switch it off, switch all of it off while allowing only File Explorer as well as settings. So that is the next thing you need to do to improve the performance of your system. So the next step that you need to do is to make sure that you come again to this section that says search. Click on it, and now during this time you are going to type settings. Just type setting. As you try to type setting, you are going to see settings here. Just click on setting and you'll be taken to this area. Now just make sure to come to this section that says personalization. Click on it and you'll be taken to this screen. Once as you are here, just navigate to this section that says color. Click on it and you'll be taken here. By default, you can see that for some of us or most of us, you can see that this area is actually switched on, like automatically pick an accent color from my background. Make sure to switch it off, and once it is off, then this area or section is good. Once you do that, this will actually also improve the performance of your system. And of course, if you come to this area that says high contrast setting, just also try to see how you can actually play with this area. For this section, like high contrast setting, you can see if, for example, you come here, choose a theme. Let me try to expand this. Choose a theme. Just come here to this section that says choose a theme and make sure that it is actually unknown. Because if you try to choose like high contrast 1 or whatever contrast that you have here, it can actually also be one of the contributing factor to the bringing down of your PC performance. Just make sure that this area is unknown, and once it is there, then that area has been resolved. So make sure to close it while we move to the next step. So here on the next is actually making sure that we optimize our C drive. Of course, this section was being explained on episode 1, but we still want to emphasize on it. That's why I want to include it again in this episode 4. So here, just make sure to optimize your C drive by making sure that you come here and just try to type on defragment. You will see, once as you try to type defrag, you are going to see defragment and optimize drive. Just click on it and you'll be taken here. Our concentration here is mostly on the C drive because that is where most of our programs or software are being installed. That puts a lot of weight on our CPU as well as memory of our system, causing it to be down in its performance. So you need to just come to the C drive and try to optimize this drive. Once as you click on optimize, it will be analyzed and allow it to optimize till it is being completed. Restart the PC and that will be done. Doing these steps will actually improve the performance of your PC greatly. And if you would like to see additional tutorials on other episodes 1, 2, 3, then make sure to check the link below this video description. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for new post notifications and updates. And see you again in our next episode. Bye-bye.